Morning, boys. Now, today we do the second part of the lesson, air and water. Okay, today we're going to do about water. How do we get water? Most of our water comes from the rain. Okay, and I had told you before in the previous lesson that what are clouds? Clouds are tiny, tiny drops of water moving together in the air. When these drops of water become bigger, they become heavy, and when they become heavy, they fall to the earth as rain. Now, this rainwater fills up all the rivers, the seas, everything gets filled with water. Okay? Now, they tell you that a dam, sometimes we build dams across the river to store water. You can otherwise store water. You must have seen at home, your mummy stores water in a bucket, in a tank. Okay, we store water generally like that. But when we have to store water in a very large amount, then people, okay, they build dams across rivers. Now, what is a dam? A dam is a wall built across the river to stop the flow of the water. Now, what happens when you build a wall? All the water gets collected this side, okay, and it becomes like a big lake. Okay, now that water is used for watering the fields and to produce an electricity which is called hydroelectricity. Okay, hydroelectricity, hydro means water, is electricity produced with the help of water. Okay, now can you believe that the electricity which we get is all hydroelectricity? It is water which has been made from, it is electricity, which has been made from water, from the speed of water. Okay, now, so what is a dam? A dam is a wall built across a river. They stop the flow of the river, okay, partially, not completely, as a result of which a huge lake is formed here. The water from that lake is used to water the fields and to produce electricity, which is called hydroelectricity, hydro meaning water. Now, one thing which you must remember is that you must have heard of the word pollution. Pollution means anything which is dirty, which dirties something. So, never pollute water. Don't dirty this water which we use. How do we pollute water? For example, if you're going in the lake and you're going boating, have you seen some people eat packets of chips and they just throw the chips into the lake? So see, you're polluting the water. You must never pollute water and you must never waste water. Water, you know, can be used for different things. We need water in everything we do. We need water to cook. We need water to wash. We need water to water our plants. You cannot do anything without water. Now, because you cannot do anything without water, you have to use it very sparingly. Don't waste water. Have you seen, especially when you're brushing your teeth, how much water we waste? Sometimes people just let the tap run, okay, and the water just keeps flowing like that without being used. So please remember, never waste water. If you see a tap open, if you see water being wasted, please turn off the tap. Don't waste it. That is very, very important. Okay? Because if you waste water, a day will come when we will have no water at all. So be very careful how you use water. Use water sparingly. Don't waste it. And never pollute water. Don't dirty water. Okay? Now, thank you.